Hi, my name is Stefan and I'm a biomechanical engineer. I want to talk to you about your pain in the foot area today. A lot of patients coming into my clinic with some knee pain, and the thing that they don't know is that the pain can actually arise from something else within the body, and mainly from flat foot feet. And you have flat foot feet when this arch is totally fallen down and not helping with the shock absorption that can come from the upper body. When this is falling inwards, then you're doing a internally rotation in the shin, and this is also affecting the knee and thereby giving some pain in the arch areas. Many people come to me and ask, is it really necessary with insoles when you have flat feet? And I must say that this certainly is, because this arch support area is going to help you during the shock absorption that the foot normally does when putting on load with normally walking. And the thing that it also do is that it's interacting with your arch area and making a more normal gait in your foot motion. This is an soles insole, and it's made by this special material that's very dynamically working with your feet, and that's because it can elastically deform and then reform itself, reshaping for interacting with your feet in a more dynamically and biomechanically way. Yes, so insoles are a big part of limiting the pain in your feet and knee and underleg area, but so are also the exercises that you can do for your feet. And one very important exercise is this for your arch area, where you can put down your heel at the bottom floor and press down with your big toe, and the rest of the toes is pressing upwards, thereby activating this arch area and holding that for like 15 seconds, and then relax and do some counter stress. And then do that again for like 3 times to really activate your arch area. Another good mobility exercise for your arch area in your feet is this cloth drawing exercise. And you have a cloth on a smooth surface, then you can draw towards you like this, sitting your heel down and then drawing the cloth towards you. And you can see I'm using a lot of the muscles, intrinsic muscles between the toes in the forefoot and also in the arch area. Once you have drawn it all the way to you, you just simply start over, and 30 to 60 seconds is normally preferable, and then repeat like 3 times. Another good mobility exercise for your arch area and your Achilles tendon area is this calf raising technique, where you have a step that you can stand on with your front feet, and then also remember to have something to hold on by to keep balance, and then you slowly do the plantar flexion raise, and then you slowly go down again, and you can repeat this like 15 to 20 times. And if it's too easy, you can also do it by one foot. It gets a little harder, but still have some good results. And this gives a really strong ability also in the underleg and the calving area. If you like these exercises, then I can also recommend the other video that we have regarding a flat footness exercise that you can check out and try out.